everyone. I am Yuri Pinocchio, a proud student of Bethlehem Junior Academy Etiquette classes. As I deliver this speech, you will witness my intentional effort to rise above the fear of public speaking. Because I am enough. I believe in who I'm becoming. I will not be shaken or
intimidated
by anyone in the audience, for I too belong in this room.
Right.
Today, I stand boldly and declare, I am confident, I am intelligent, I am strong, I am a leader, I am
Successful.
I am focused, I am more than enough, and above all,
Connect with the audience.
I am a child of the King. Again, I am Yuri Pinocchio. Thank you so much for your attention.
Good job. Ooh, your eye contact was awesome. Are you ready, Kingston? Hold on here. You don't want to have your hands behind you. And hold on to the podium. Okay, quiet everyone. Ready? Go, Kingston.
Hello everyone, I am Kingston Maryland, a proud
Hold on. Remember, when you're saying hello everyone and you're introducing yourself, you can connect with the audience. You would look at them because you already know hello everyone and you already know your name, right? Okay, so connect with the audience and continue. Ready? Go.
Hello everyone, I am Kingston Maryland, a proud student of Bethlehem Junior Academy Etiquette classes. As I deliver this speech, you will witness my intentional effort to rise above the fear of public speaking. Because I am enough and I believe I know
I believe.
in who I am becoming. I will not be
Shaken.
or
Intimidated.
intimidated by anyone in the audience, for I too belong in this room.
Yes.
Today I'll stand boldly and
Boldly.
declare.
And you project right here.
I am confident.
Yes.
I am intelligent.
Uh-huh.
I am strong.
Yes.
I am a leader.
Yes.
I'm successful.
Yes.
I am focused.
Yes.
I am more than enough.
Uh-huh.
And above all, I am a child of the King.
Yes.
Again, I am Kingston Alien. Thank you so much for your attention.
Good job. Give me a hand.